direct drive 900 kV brushless crazy fast RC snow sled truck friggin' thing. You know, and we just took pieces of an old tire and cut slits, and then we put some of that rubberized RTV glue sealant inside there so the pieces wouldn't yank out. So we've got some pretty good, you know, pretty good flaps on these tires.
Snow sled truck car thing has it's ski, but we made some homemade paddle tires, and they actually look pretty friggin' cool on the sides.
Yeah, it's gonna work good, man. It's gonna work good. You're not even hitting full throttle, are you? That's 2S, not 3. I think she's gonna work just fine.
For a minute anyway.
And it's steering the right way, right? Yep. Right on. I guess we gotta go for the test. Right on!
Look at this thing go. Look at it go! Whoa, hit the bushes. I love it. Oh, the radio wire. Gotta fix that, man, because it keeps... Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, that's not.
Yeah, we got a wiring issue here. Oogie doggy.
Oogie doogie. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh. This thing is actually pretty neat. Ooh, it's spitting it all the way back at me.
It almost hit the trash can.
Snow truck sled thing goes good in the snow. Got me. The homemade everything pretty much. Snowmobile. Let's get you going the right way. There. They grab really, really good, man.
Want to give her a shot? Oh, that felt good. Look at that.
I wasn't trying to get you.
Oh, that was a close one.
Yeah, 2 points.
Man, it's spitting grass.
Hi, Larry. Oh, it's nothing but broken pieces put together. It's like a little snowmobile. Aww. Oh,
Yep.
we did. We lost 2 paddles.
2 of them.
Yep. Well, we can get some couple in there. It does kind of, but it still goes. So
Actually goes damn good, man. Should really wait for the glue to dry a little bit more, huh? Alright, let's go, man. Home! Uh-oh.
I love it. All right, I better go in. Yay, it works. Works good.